Hey guys, so I'm teaching you today how to mine Bitcoin, and it's an easy, simple way. So all you need to do is open a web browser, type this link, it's so simple, or just you'll find it down in the description, just press enter, and it'll take you here. So this is actually a browser that mines for you easily, and it can be used with a phone. So you just need to hit download. It's that easy, it works for both Mac and Windows. So hit download, it should start downloading down here, and it's already done. You just need to open it. It'll ask you for permission, just hit yes and agree, and it'll start downloading everything. As you can see, it'll download everything and it'll do everything for you and install. I'm gonna cancel it because I already have it. Okay, it needs to cancel as well. Anyway, I already have it over here, so I'm just gonna open this and show you how to use it. Alright, so you can use it as your default browser. So here's the crypto tab browser. So all you need is up here to tap on this, and okay, this is the place where you mine at. So I just mined that so easily like a couple of days ago. Now it's off, as you can see, because I just kind of like press max and off. um, so you just change between how much you want your laptop to work. Like if it's on max, it will mine faster, but your laptop will be a bit slower. So yeah, just choose the mining speed you want, and it should start mining any second and tell you the hash rates. You can use multiple devices at the same time mining it, and yeah, it's so easy to use, so simple, and it works on your phone and iPads as well, so you can get those things mining as well. And you only need like 1000 satoshis, which are here. I have 700 to be able to withdraw it, so it does not take a lot of time. It takes me like 10-20 days to get 1000. Takes my friend like 11. So yep. And I think I'm stuck on zero for no reason. It should be going up any second now. You can just refresh it, and it should literally just go like to 700 most of the time it is for me. Yep. And something's wrong. Oh, I think the screen recorder. Yeah, I think the screen recorder is using the CPU. So yeah, this thing won't get working for me, but it should work for you. And you have everything you need. So yeah, you should probably try it. Try it for yourself, see how much you gain. Maybe you can get yourself some Satoshis. Uh, Satoshis are like Bitcoin, it's a part of Bitcoin. So yeah, you can try it, and good luck with your mining. This is like the first step of mining, so I'm gonna make many videos about mining with different miners and different ways, and I'll teach you the best and stuff. This one is good for beginners and it's so simple compared to the others. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more mining videos to make you some cash, dollars, money. I don't know what else to say. See you.